Gloves are. I'm looking at wanting to buy some new gloves. Guys and gals, this is beautiful. Oh, dude. Welcome guys and gals to another episode of Clintastic. You know, again, another short one. All I did is I wanted to go for a little ride, cycle gear, see if I could get some new gloves or something of the nature.
That doesn't make sense.
But anyways, check that out. Plus, I show kind of a new road with my normal shenanigans and normal things. So, hope you guys enjoy. Take care. All right, everybody. Decided to go maybe visit a local cycle gear in San Diego. How much new gloves are. I'm looking at wanting to buy some new gloves and perhaps a mirror. Notice that I'm missing a mirror on the side. Well, I parking my bike, unfortunately it got slightly hit. So it came off and now I need to go get a new one, but oh well, we'll see how it goes. But yeah guys, just want to go for the ride. We'll go have some fun. We're gonna go visit the one in San Marcos and that's it. We'll go from there. All right guys and gals, enjoy the ride until I see you then. Would kick my butt. Ooh, Ferrari Spider. Nice, dude. Nice. Dude, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Close that. Oh, I got till 5. What's up, man? Oh, feel it? That's not too bad. No, not looking. I want racing. I want more kickback. Well, to let everybody know, obviously didn't work out like I thought. They had a lot of sizes actually that were not in that couldn't fit me. And then the replacement mirrors, I'm actually kind of in the realm of saying, you know what, forget it. I can just probably fix what I got. I'll get jimmy rigged and just do it there. But you know, I decided, let's go ahead really quick and do a side road on top of Mr. Cycle Gear, you know? Yes! Yes! Let's go ahead and throw one little short ride just for the fun of it. And why not?
Oh boy, is this great!
Fantastic little ride. If you want to ever connect to Cougar Canyon or West Lilac Street or Lilac itself, this is a little side road that I've taken a couple times here and there. And you know what, I figured hopefully there'll be no cars, I'm hoping, and you know, give it a whirl and just see what happens first, you know? Just a period of time, and I was like, might as, oh dude. And since I'm creeping along on the road here and not even going the speed limit, thank you Ford, I'm on the old 395. The 15 freeway is actually right over there, and I just felt like going on this because it's much more pleasant to be on. And we're about to get up to Gopher Canyon right now, and yeah, I just figured this is a little bit prettier to actually be on and ride with. Okay, so see, I'm on the old 395 passing Gopher Canyon, but again, you can get it from all perspectives, but this road right here, Circle Road Drive, and I kind of follow what it says right there. I do a circle with it. It's actually a beautiful like loop that takes you back to West Lilac or East Lilac. The only problem with this one is, just like with anything else, you can get stuck behind somebody. Just turn right. Oh, come on, come on, come on, yes!
You're not that guy, pal, trust me. You're not that guy.
You're awesome. All right. Oh, I'm already seeing the cop. A car. Stupid. Look at this, guys and gals. This is beautiful. Look at that. This is just a gorgeous place. I tell you guys and gals, if you've never been to San Diego, all you think of is Surf City, just watch a couple of my videos. It'll change your mind real quick. hard left right here, just remember, hard left. Like, this is actually a pretty good hard left right there. And if you're not, you're gonna go straight in the dirt. Okay, West Lilac, that's where you turn right. We're heading on to East Lilac. And one of my videos, I'll put it down, I've done this review, but I was coming this way. And actually, take it back, I did film it going this way as well, but it was on my front mount, on my fender, so I didn't actually get to talk or anything like that, and that's okay. Sometimes we don't need to hear talking all the time, right?
Can't really understand much of what is being said.
You tell me. Come about the caravan.
It's not Irish. It's not English.
How are you? Yeah, the weather's been kind just for the horses, you know that.
Guys in a golf cart. Okay, definitely hard right. And then there's a kind of a funky left coming up. This turn coming up, this left, it's actually more deceiving than you actually would anticipate. So if you are doing this for your first time, I'm letting you guys all know, it looks like it's kind of casual right here, but actually it's much sharper than you actually think. Whew, I don't like seeing that sand. Well, we only got a couple more turns anyways, so now that we're kind of stuck behind a car, life goes on. But guys and gals, even though that this was a short little video, oh, you breaker.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
The law, or thin, know your name. I don't. So guys, again, as I said before, all my videos, give me a big like, share, sub, all that fun stuff. And ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. Like right now, one reason why somebody might be saying, well, Clint, you're kind of being timid on this. You know why? Because there's a thing called cars. They weigh a lot more than me, and they'll win. Oh yeah, they'll win. But guys, anyways, ride smart, be smart, like I always say. Until next time, see you later.